You sweep it up, everybody. There you go.
Sweep it. Yes. Do it, Matthew. You're a good worker. Yes, you did it. All right. Yes. He works hard with these noodles. He's a noodle boy. Woo! Matthew, good job. Want grandmother to sweep? Say, you sweep, grandmother. Say, I'm tired. Say, that's your job. Say, my job to scatter, your job to sweep. Good job, Matthew. Wow. Say,
Good
wow.
sweeper.
Wow. Yes, here, you sweep. Matthew, sweep. That's a big old broom, isn't it? Yeah, okay, I sweep. Grandmother sweep. Get it all up. Let's give him some more, because those are I'm gone. Should we sweep them up? Sweep them up.
This is our supper tomorrow, Matthew.
That's right. Granddaddy's tonight. It'll be too late for you all. We'll have them tonight. Just add a little cheese. That's all we've got to do is add the cheese. We'll be crunching noodles for the next month. So where did that come from?
Noodle explosion.
Yes, every time you step on one. Wow, Matthew, good job. Oh, he's worked so hard on these noodles. Whew. Sweep them up, Matthew. Sweep them up. Go for it.
Just like, come on, Grandma.
You do. You do. He said you do. You do. He won't let grandmother have no rest. No rest for the wicked. I must be awfully wicked.
No.
Sending all these perverted cards. She is a wicked lady.
We just have to overlook her.
That's right. She's getting senile in her old age. Sweep up. Yeah. Whoa!
Oh.
Don't fall. Granddaddy's gone to sleep.
I don't see how you can sleep with that TV up that high. Must be tired.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Listen, it sounds like fire.
Oh God! He just threw him down through there.
Woo! Pop. That's so sweet when he sweeps. Go, Matthew, go. Sweep it, baby. Say, Go for it, grandmother. Go for it.
See, he's doing his part, scattering them out.
I'm gonna let Daddy say. Wow. Woo!